Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty trends and innovations. Today, we're exploring the Solawave Wrinkle Retreat Light Therapy Face Mask. This sleek, lightweight mask promises to restore firm skin using red light and infrared therapy in just a 10-minute treatment. Let's see if this high-tech tool delivers on its promises. The Solawave Wrinkle Retreat Mask is designed to harness the power of light therapy to target signs of aging and rejuvenate your skin. It's a sheet mask format, which makes it incredibly easy to use. Just apply it to your face and you're good to go. The mask uses both red light and infrared light to stimulate collagen production, promote skin renewal, and improve skin elasticity. Red light therapy is known for its ability to improve skin texture and reduce fine lines, while infrared light can penetrate deeper layers of the skin to enhance circulation and overall skin health. In terms of ingredients, there's no need to worry about harsh chemicals or fragrances because this mask is all about using the power of light. Nothing artificial here. The unit itself is lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for the full 10-minute treatment. It's a no-fuss, no-mess addition to your beauty routine, and I can appreciate that. Now, let's talk about the real-world usage experience. When I first tried the mask, it was easy to apply. It fits nicely on the face and doesn't slide off during the treatment. It's not as bulky as some other light therapy devices, which is a definite plus for comfort. The instructions recommend using it for 10 minutes, and I found that to be the perfect amount of time for noticeable results. During the treatment, I felt a gentle warmth, which I interpreted as the mask doing its job. The light wasn't too intense, and I didn't feel any discomfort. I've used this a few times now, mostly in the evenings after cleansing my face. After each session, my skin felt noticeably smoother and looked brighter, definitely a boost in radiance, which was a pleasant surprise. I did notice that fine lines around my eyes seemed a bit softer, though for more substantial wrinkle reduction, you might need to use it more regularly, as results could vary depending on individual skin conditions. As with any product, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, the Solawave mask is incredibly easy to use and doesn't require a lot of setup. It's compact, so it's great for travel, and the 10-minute treatment time is perfect for a quick, no-hassle skincare boost. On the downside, I do wish the mask offered more customizable settings, such as intensity levels or different light modes. The price point may also be a concern for some, as it's on the higher end for a sheet mask, especially when you compare it to other at-home light therapy tools. Speaking of price, let's talk value for money. The Solawave mask is definitely an investment, and it's priced higher than your typical sheet mask. However, when you compare it to professional light therapy treatments or other devices that promise similar benefits, this could be considered a more affordable alternative. It offers convenience and an at-home option for those who want to incorporate light therapy into their routine without the salon visits. If you're hesitant about the price, there are cheaper alternatives out there, though they may not have the same performance or convenience. For instance, handheld light therapy devices are usually priced similarly, but they may require more effort to apply and use. So, while this mask might seem pricey, it does deliver results that justify the investment if you're looking for an easy way to rejuvenate your skin in the comfort of your home. The build quality of the mask is solid. It's lightweight and feels sturdy, which is reassuring when you're investing in a tech-based skincare product. It's also designed for repeated use, so if you take care of it, it should last you quite a while. There's no indication that the mask's efficacy will decline over time, and the battery life seems to hold up well with regular usage. As for customer support, I've had positive experiences with Solawave in the past. Their customer service team is responsive and helpful, and they're known for providing good support if there's ever an issue with the product. The company is committed to standing behind their products, which is always a reassuring factor when you're investing in high-tech beauty tools. Wrapping up, the Solawave Wrinkle Retreat Light Therapy Mask is a fantastic option for those looking to experience the benefits of light therapy at home. It's easy to use, effective for boosting skin radiance, and may help with the appearance of fine lines over time. However, the higher price point might make some people hesitant, especially if they're used to more affordable skincare treatments. So, who would benefit most from this? If you're someone who's been looking for a convenient, effective at-home treatment for skin rejuvenation, this could be a great fit. It's especially suited for individuals who have busy routines and want quick results without having to commit to lengthy salon appointments. If you're on a tighter budget or prefer a more customizable device, there are alternatives, but keep in mind that the convenience of this mask is hard to beat. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Stay beautiful inside and out, and until next time, keep glowing.